This is the Vevor drill guide that they sent over in exchange for this video. But my dad is always out here in his shop doing different projects, DIY type things. And so I knew he was the perfect one to try this out. And honestly, it's one of those tools you don't think that you're really going to need until you actually use it. My dad said it makes drilling straight or angled holes so much easier. You can set it at different angles, like 45 degrees, 60, 75, or straight up 90 degrees. So if you're working on a project where things need to line up just right, it takes a lot of that guesswork out of it for you. The chuck can hold a bunch of different drill bit sizes, and the spring-loaded setup helps keep your depth consistent, which is great if you're doing the same hole over and over again. What my dad really liked was the base on it. It has this V groove that keeps round or awkward pieces from sliding around while you drill. And because it's aluminum with clear laser markings, everything stays lined up without my dad having to constantly remeasure over and over again. He tried it on a board. He's also used it on little furniture fixes and even some random DIY ideas that my mom has had. And it's just nice having to, not fight with the drill to keep things straight. It's definitely one of those tools that just makes life a little bit easier in his shop. He loves it. I hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.